yeah, it's that time again to wake up. As difficult as it was for me to wake up, I know you can see the sun is shining, but it's summer here, so the sun is coming out even before 6 a.m. So by 5, the sun is already talking to me. So yeah, here I am dragging myself out, just hoping I can sleep for another hour. Excuse the showing off that skin. Although I just showed a little bit of it though. But yeah. So yeah, I am just trying to dress up, put the trouser on and then the top on. I'm about to go open those curtains so the sun brightness can come through. Oh, look at that, look at that view. This is what I have to wake up every morning. Of course, you know what I'm saying. I'm like, damn, you've got it good. Yeah, we need the city life when you can wake up to that, right? Yeah, so yeah, I'm thinking now, where do I start? And I decided, you know what, even before I brush my teeth and wash my face, let me just start with this laundry. I've been dragging it for the past week. So the blankets needed to be washed, and basically the whole bedding I had to do laundry. So I had to wait for the weekend to do this. So that's why when I woke up, I was like, the first thing I'm gonna do is take care of this blanket before I change my mind, because I've been postponing it. And there I am rushing to get the soap, the washing powder. So yeah, I'm making my way to the garage, which is where our washing machine is situated until we find a permanent place for it. But the garage is working fine. So there it is in its little corner right there. Hello, blanket. Yeah. So I'm fitting that blanket in. And I actually thought it wasn't gonna fit, and to my surprise, it just shrinked. The minute I threw it in there, it just shrinked. Like, it felt at home. Like, literally, I was surprised. Like, it didn't even take a couple of seconds there. So yeah, that was good. So I thought I was gonna have to do a whole lot of squeezing, pushing down, turning and tossing it. Just for it to get there. So yeah, I'm just coming from switching the machine on because I have to use an extension on the other side of the garage. That's where the plug is, the switch is. So yeah, I am adding the washing powder. Yeah, I did add a lot of it because I don't want to tell you how long it has been since I washed my bedding, because I don't want to be trolled. I don't want to be reminded. I don't want to be placed on archives, because social media just doesn't forget. So yeah, I'll keep my lips sealed. But from judging from the amount of washing powder I poured there, you can tell that the blankets needed. Yeah, it has been a while since they were washed. So yeah, this is the second bunch of the things I need to wash. So yeah, I'm just placing them. When that one is finished, I can quickly take it and then just throw it inside the washing machine. So yeah, I'm packing things in order so that I can have like a schedule thing. So I know once that is done, everything inside there needs to go inside the washing machine. So yeah, that's what I did there. Honestly, this day was a very busy day. It was a busy day, I tell you. So yeah, I quickly went to the bathroom just to wash my face, brush my teeth, just the basics. Because I'm still gonna have a busy day. So yeah. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Quick and fast. So yeah. Don't worry. I didn't show much skin there. Nothing to see, nothing to see. Nothing to see. So yeah. Please don't forget, you can click that subscribe button for all that good vibes. Oh yeah. And please like the video, and you can also share it. There we go. After washing my face and brushing my teeth, I dashed quickly back to the room because I'm about to do something which I always do every fourth day of the week. I have to do this because my hair just when it grows like that, it irritates me so much. I used to have long dreadlocks for a couple of years, and believe it or not, I did cut it. It has been years now, so I've just been having a clean shave all throughout. So every fourth day I have to do this job. So I got tired of having to go pay a barber. It's just too much, and the time. So I thought, let me just buy that machine and I'll do it myself. So every fourth day I am doing this process of shaving my head. Yeah, straight up bald, gentleman style. So yeah, it took me 20 minutes to do this, to be precise. So of course I wasn't gonna let you sit here and watch me do that for 20 minutes. So yeah, I had to do that effect so that it can just go faster. So that's what you're seeing there. So we had to cut down 20 seconds to 20 minutes to 20 seconds. I'm telling you, technology, thank you. Technology, thank you. Oh, technology, thank you. So as you can see, 20 minutes has been cut down to literally 20 seconds. So yeah, quick, done. Did the beard, yeah, voila, perfecto. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so yeah, we're just wiping it down, looking proper fresh. See, since it's the weekend, you have to look proper. So I always make sure that the fourth day of me shaving my hair will fall on the Thursday or the Friday. So yeah, so that on the weekend I'm looking proper and clean, because that's where usually one needs to look proper and clean. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just coming for the last picture that, as you know, we are having some spring hair. So yeah, it quickly locks. So immediately when it's still wet, you have to you have to comb it before, or else the comb won't go through. Yeah. I'm sure a couple of people know what I'm talking about. So yeah. That's another reason I'm always going bald and I don't want hair, because taking that comb through, trouble. So yeah, of course I have to clean up after my own mess, and I'm just cleaning out. I'm just stripping up all that hair which was down there, and I just thought, you know what, I might as well just clean the room while I'm at it, because even the room was a bit dirty. It's been a while. It was a hectic week, believe it or not. So yeah, after that I just thought I might as well just mop. So yeah, I'm doing a thorough cleaning. Yes, literally I'm cleaning everything. But of course I didn't show you the whole thing because of the time. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you snippets of me cleaning, but the whole entire room was done proper. I even went under the bed, as you can see there, even with the broom. So yeah, just that of course we can have the video running for 20 minutes, because nowadays nobody wants to watch long things. Just wanna see summary, chop. That's what's up. Yeah. All people just lose that attention span. So yeah, I don't want to drag you all the way when I'm mopping the room. So yeah, the machine rang, telling me that the blanket is done. So you can see perfecto, voila, sharp. Like, hit that like button, share it. Then yeah, I took it out, and then I placed the next bunch which I had showed you earlier on, that I was getting it ready to go inside. So yeah, there I'm just throwing everything inside. Like I don't care. Yeah. So yeah, that fit well. It was fitting in well because it was not a lot. And then yeah, I'm putting in the powder soap there. Then yeah, I always make it an hour. So in the next hour, the blanket was like 61 minutes if I'm not mistaken. Then after that, we should be done with almost 97% of the things which I did today. Yeah, it has been a pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. There will be part 2 of this video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. You can go ahead and scan this QR code to show support, and any amount we are able to assist with, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.